Mumbai and hello. I'm Kibeni Boro. I'm from Tangla Udalguri and we are here shooting for Miss PTC 2026 organized by our Honorable Hirok Rava sir. So this show has very much opportunities for all over the BTC and we're very glad to be a part of the show and our Hirographer sir has also organized many shows in different places. Like recently, our Hirographer sir has organized uh, Miss National Diva in Darjeeling. It was a very big show, and in this show, Miss BTC, there are 5 districts of our BTC: Udalguri, Tamulpur, Baksa, Kokrajhar. We have done auditions in these 5 districts and we are the selected candidates from all over the district of BTC and uh, we have grooming sessions from 28th of July and our grand final will be held on Vishnu Rava Field in Udalguri on 20th of July. Thank you. More experience to Junaki Entertainment লগত বহুত ভাল because আমাৰ হিৰগ্ৰাফাৰ ছাৰ বহুত ধুনীয়া ধুনীয়া অপৰচুনিটিজ আমাক প্ৰভাইড কৰে আৰু আমাৰ হিৰগ্ৰাফাৰ ছাৰ বহুত অনেষ্ট হয় আৰু আমাৰ লগত বহুত কাইণ্ড হয় মই 2023 পৰা কৰি আছোঁ কিন্তু মই বেছি শ্ব' কৰা নাই মই এতিয়ালৈকে 5টামান শ্ব' কৰিছোঁ আৰু মই তাৰে 3টাতে মই উইনাৰ লাভ কৰিছোঁ